Welcome back. By the end of this video, you will be able to change the sky color in the games that you're creating in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. You now know how to change the color of most of the elements here, the terrain, the parts, models, those kinds of things. But let's also talk about the sky. And right now you can see the color of the sky and the time of day and that kind of thing. In order to change the color of the sky and the time of day, you want to go over to the workspace and you want to collapse some of these things so that you can see it. You want to find lighting. So I found lighting. You just want to click on lighting. Don't worry about the drop down for now. We'll get to that later. But for right now, let's just focus on just overall lighting. So you just want to click on lighting, and then the properties will show up on the bottom right, and you'll see what you'll be able to change. So you could change something like the brightness, and you can see if I change the brightness, what it does to the game. It's basically the way the sun reflects off of the parts. So again, as I increase this, you see it gets kind of bright. And if I decrease it, it decreases the brightness. So again, I'm going to put that back to where it was. And so now I've got the brightness back to where it was. So again, I'm going to click on lighting again so you can see. So we have brightness. And then let's say you wanted to, you have color shift top, which again will change different parts of the color. So the main thing I want to point out is the clock time or the time of day. So clock time, I can just click on this and drag this around, and you'll see the sun will move. And so I can make a night game. So there's a night game where the moon is out instead of the sun. You can find the moon. So we've got that. And again, well, all I did was I clicked on lighting and I went down to clock time. And so I made it 0, and that was midnight. And then so now I can make it middle of the day. And again, you can play with different settings here to change it from night to day. There are more advanced settings with the lighting, but for now, let's just stick with the time of day and the different brightness that you can use. And so that'll give you a couple things that you can change for the lighting of the games that you're creating in Roblox Studio. So your action manual for today is to find a lighting setting that you enjoy and set the game to that, and we'll continue creating. So I thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.